Chief. I'm
Here we are again today for another version of I'm So today's message comes in from Carlos, San Diego. Carlos, my backyard, San Diego. Go figure. Dear Chief, I'm so I was promised 2 points and 8%. Yeah, right. I just got my loan docs and it's 12% and 5 points. Yeah, you are getting hosed, Carlos. You're just getting the royal screwing. My closing is in 3 days. That's the icing on the cake. Well, first of all, give us a call. We can help you out, obviously. That's crazy. 12% and 5 points, we can save you money. I mean, no one charges that other than someone that's trying to hose you. The reality is, unfortunately, in our industry as hard money lenders and private money lenders, there's a lot of bait and switch going on. There's a lot of people that'll tell you, hey, I'll give you 7% in 1 point. And at the 11th hour, when you can't turn directions, when you don't have a solution, then what they do is they stick it to you. So you got So that's where you got the 12% of 5 points. First of all, you should be smart enough to know you're not getting a hard money loan. You're not getting a private money loan at 8 and 2. It doesn't happen. Anyone that's going to quote you super low is screwing you. They're lying to you. To anyone that's listening, what happens is hard money loans. Here's a simple solution. Somewhere between 2 and 4 points and somewhere between 8 and 12%. So if you have a bunch of people quoting you this and you find someone that's quoting you this, you're getting screwed. Common sense. You're renting monies. No one can rent money much cheaper than anyone else. So at the end of the day, don't always pick the cheapest person. That's stupid. Basically what you did, Carlos, is you just yourself. That's what you did. You just went with a liar because it sounds good. So again, I can help you. Give me a call. We can get it done in 3 days. Not a problem at all. But guess what? I'm going to quote you somewhere probably like 3 or 4 points and probably 10%. And those are real numbers and there will not be a bait and switch. Hopefully that helps. Hey, if you feel like you're being hosed in a shitty situation, leave a comment below or email us, and I'll try to answer your question for you.